Hello everybody, this is Nerdy Nemo here, and my friend with me is
Pineapple Gaming, aka AJ. I'm with him. We are recording a vlog in the woods. I was recording it too, but my phone died, so we're just gonna continue.
now
It's gonna be a part 2 thing. So check out my channel to go to. Okay, look at this. This looks like
also check out mine because I'm also desperate, but I'm more desperate than him.
Yeah.
So
Let's you go first. Ow, it's pokey. Alright, just walk around it. Be aware of the poison ivy.
I think we should just go. Ow!
Ouch! It's hurting me. Giggle. Oh no! Okay, I'll keep on. You go first, sir. Ladies first.
Girls second.
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea. There could be some poop on there. Let's keep walking.
So anyway, so yes, this is the glory of
Mother Nature. Oh, tilted landscape, so it's not vertical. Yeah, just make sure it's not gonna be vertical and it's not gonna be, messed up. It's hopefully.
it's great.
Yeah.
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature.
That should be a cool screenshot.
Yeah. Trees. That's gonna be like our new freaking thing.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, what's that? What's that?
What's what? What's what? What's what?
See that? Okay, we'll be back in a minute, guys.
What is it?
It's gonna suck. We just have gloves on.